Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see about the junk foods effect on our health. Actually many doesn't realize that actually we eat street side foods. Those are called junk foods because that foods which are provided in the outside of the house, we call that fast foods or anything that doesn't have any nutritional value, and it affects our health in long term badly because of the spice and the palm oil and the overused oil and the deep fried food material, food which we eat outside, that is not good for health at all. Now we see about the junk foods details in depth and what is the alternate options which are healthy to our body. Okay, in this video we are going to see about full information regarding the in a short time I will try to provide the most important points regarding the how to avoid junk foods and instead of that eating healthy options. Okay, understanding junk foods. First we need to understand about what is junk food and why we are not preferring it, because junk foods are actually they doesn't have any nutritional value like fiber content, proteins and many other what we call as balanced diet regarding the other options, proteins, vitamins, fiber and all that doesn't have in good quantity. And also it has the foods which we eat outside have lots of high sugars, high fat and salt. uh, Take anything outside which we call street foods or junk foods like outside, those are not at all good for health. Okay, because it has lots of lots of content that is not good for health at all. Okay, and many people eat those things because those are very tasty to eat. That's the tempting thing many cannot overcome. Occasionally it is okay, but regularly eating it is not at all fine. Occasionally also try to avoid it if possible. If no other option, then we need to adjust. It causes long-term health issues because many doesn't know that also leads to obesity and diabetes also because of more sugar and no good nutritional value. We will overeat and that results to diabetes, and that also after some time because of the oil which we eat and because of the unhygienic conditions many other health prone diseases will occur, and also heart disease also will lead to that. Okay, recognizing healthy foods instead of eating those junk foods and all which doesn't have any nutritional value but are pricey also, and instead of eating those we need to eat the food options which are healthy, and we need to eat like what we need to eat like healthy and which are nutrient rich like fiber, proteins, vitamins. Which food contains these things we can eat mostly which fruits and vegetables, nuts, multigrains and all other things are healthy. Those are we need to prefer those things instead of the pre-processed foods and junk food, street foods. Okay, what are whole grains? Many things come under whole grains, nuts and seeds and also others, legumes, many things other eggs all won't come under whole grains, but legumes also we can eat. Okay, remember you can eat fruits, vegetables, nuts and other things, like it's kind of snacking or like that. Yeah, how to avoid junk food? Usually why we eat junk food is it is because of when we feel hungry at the time we need to eat food, when the food is not prepared or not, it is not ready. Meanwhile we will eat some chips packet or some biscuits or some other thing. If it is evening we will go to a outside and we will eat like pav bhaji or noodles or fried rice or golgappa, pani puri and pakodi or any other thing. but those are not preferable. Instead of those things, if it is a evening time, it's better when you go from home, you carry along with you snack box which you have fruits or vegetables or nuts or good healthy snacks like that. Okay, so that you don't need to eat outside. We don't know outside which quality material they are using. Actually, in businesses outside, they will, for profits, they will use those raw materials which are of less price to get the taste and all. They will add all the ingredients, masala, spices, sugars and all. That's the problem. At that time, you won't realize. After some time, sometimes they will prepare unhygienically, then you will affect digestion issues or other some health issues you will get. Eating healthy means like usually many people will eat pre-processed packet like chips packet or like biscuits or pre-processed foods and outside street foods and junk foods. At once we cannot replace. The thing we can do is carry healthy snacks or fruits or vegetables in our box during our snack time, and also one by one we need to eliminate the junk food, preferring healthy options over junk food, and drink sufficient water. Hydration is very important. What are the long-term habits of following these things? You will be healthy. Like you won't get any. If you eat outside foods now, usually it will get chronic diseases after some time, and weight will be uncontrolled, and glucose levels are a different thing. If anything you eat from outside now, you better read the nutritional label, which is provided on the backside of that sack packet. You will be understanding what ingredients they are using. One search for them in Google, is it healthy or not, then you will get some complete idea. If you eat healthy food now, you will be having better weight control, stable glucose levels, reduced chronic diseases things, and also by eating healthy foods you will be having stable mind, active mind and body. That is very much helpful for you in day-to-day life, to be productive, to be active and to do more things, so that we can become more valuable where we are. We will be happy by doing what we are doing. Okay, and also myself, Dinesh, I am a life success coach for young professionals. In these categories, I will provide mentoring and coaching, life management, life growth, and life excellence. In these are also covered health, wealth, and happiness. Like I see many people who are not exactly like, they doesn't know many things regarding life, so that they will end up like bitter experiences. After them, they will realize what to do and what if you feel we need some guidance, proper mentoring and all, for mentoring and coaching regarding the life success for young professionals, you can DM me in WhatsApp regarding your inquiries. I will respond accordingly. Okay, thank you. Life success coach for young professionals. For mentoring and coaching, only DM WhatsApp.